Aero covers, also known as aerodynamic wheel covers, are lightweight plastic components attached to the wheels of certain Tesla Model 3 variants. They improve vehicle efficiency by reducing air resistance. This video will guide you through safely removing them. They are standard on 18-inch or larger Aero wheels to optimize performance. Removal is straightforward, but care is needed to prevent damage. You might want to remove your Aero covers for several reasons. Common ones include tire rotations, wheel repairs, installing aftermarket wheels, or addressing cracks from impacts. While removal is non-invasive, using the right tools is essential to prevent breakage. Keep in mind, Tesla advises against permanent removal to maintain EPA-rated efficiency, which can provide up to 3 to 5% range improvement in highway driving. To safely remove your Aero covers, you'll need a few key tools. First, plastic pry tools or a trim removal kit to avoid scratching the wheels or covers. Second, gloves to keep your hands clean and protect the covers from fingerprints or oils. Third, a clean workspace to prevent dirt or debris from getting on the wheels or covers during removal. Finally, remember that damage during DIY removal could void your warranty, so proceed with care. Before you start, park your Tesla Model 3 on a flat surface and engage the parking brake. Chock the wheel opposite the one you'll be working on. Slightly loosen the lug nuts, about 1/4 turn, with a torque wrench set to 130 feet-pounds, Tesla spec. Inspect the edge of the Aero cover for 4 to 6 small gaps or holes. These are where the clips or screws are hidden under the plastic trim. These points are usually located at the 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions around the wheel. Knowing where these are will help you apply pressure correctly. Now for step 3, gently prying off the Aero cover. Start by inserting a plastic pry tool into one of the gaps around the cover's edge. Look for the small gaps or holes where the clips are hidden. These are usually positioned at the 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions around the wheel. Gently lever the cover away from the wheel. Work around the perimeter in a circular motion to release the clips one by one. This helps avoid breaking the clips or damaging the cover. Be very careful to avoid using metal tools, as they can scratch the wheel or the cover, potentially causing damage that affects performance or appearance. If your covers are screw attached, which is rarer in models after 2023, make sure to remove any visible screws first before prying. Once all the clips are released, pull the Aero cover straight off the wheel. Inspect the cover for any signs of damage. Store the covers in a cool, dry place to prevent warping or damage. Proper storage will ensure they're in good condition when you want to reinstall them. To reinstall the Aero covers, reverse the removal process by carefully aligning the clips with their corresponding slots on the wheel. Once aligned, press firmly on the cover until all clips snap into place, ensuring a secure fit without forcing. After the cover is secure, use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts back to Tesla's specification of 130 foot-pounds, following a star pattern for even tightening. Finally, take a short test drive to ensure there are no rattles, vibrations, or other issues with the reinstalled covers.